While some automakers believe that sedans have no future in today's SUV-saturated market, Cadillac is still betting on premium saloons and has just unveiled the all-new CT5. Serving as a replacement for both the ATS and the CTS, it slots under the CT6 and has just made an online appearance, prior to its 2019 New York Auto Show premiere that's set for next month. The modern Cadillac styling language is present, although with a few unique touches inspired by the Escala concept. As a result, the CT5 comes with a pair of slim headlights, vertical DRLs and muscular lines that run across the length of the hood. It also has a sporty profile with the slightly sloping roofline. Cadillac will have the new CT5 on display next month at the New York Auto Show before kicking off sales towards the end of the year. Price and details have not been disclosed, but it goes without saying the sedan will undercut the CT6's $50,495 starting price. As a reference, the now-defunct CTS retailed for $46,995 before options. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.